Hi, boys and girls. Yesterday we read these 2 pages from the text called The Most Important Service, and we talked about how this is an opinion writing. Do you remember what words make it an opinion writing? Can you see any in the text? I think. That shows us that it's an opinion writing. I'm going to read it to you again, just in case you forgot since yesterday. Are you ready? The most important service. Follow along with your finger. People provide services or important work for one another. Here are 3 opinions about which service is the most important. I think firefighters provide the most important service. Firefighters are trained to put fires out quickly. They rescue or save people and their pets from burning buildings. I think that police officers provide the most important service. Police officers do many things that keep people safe. They patrol the streets and make sure that everyone obeys or follows the laws. They also solve crimes. Police officers provide an important service by helping people feel safe and protected. Okay, let's find out what this other opinion is. In my opinion, farmers provide the most important service. Everyone needs food to live. Farmers grow delicious food that help us stay healthy. Farmers grow carrots, corn, beans, apples, grapes, and more. We can even thank farmers for the milk and juice we drink. Farmers help us grow. And in this caption here, it tells us a farmer's market is a place to meet the farmers who grow your food. Firefighters, police officers, and farmers all provide important services. They keep us safe from fires. They protect us from harm. They provide lots of good food. Think about other people who are providing services in your community every day. In my opinion, excuse me. That's why it's important to go back and reread, make sure it makes sense. In your opinion, who provides the most important service? People who provide services make our neighborhood better. So here we have a crossing guard, a teacher, I think that looks like a library, a mail carrier. So think about it. In your opinion, who provides the most important service? I hope you enjoyed reading with me. Till next time.